This is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So firstly, as you can see, my parental controls are indeed active. So from here, you will need to launch settings. Then find and open the Google category. Onwards, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Then go for the Data and Privacy section. At the bottom of the Data and Privacy page, tap at the Delete Your Google Account. Then, in order to continue or move forward, we will need to input the child's Google account password. So let me quickly do that. Now at the following Delete Your Google Account page, you will need to check two boxes at the bottom and tap at the Delete Account option over here. At this point, the parental controls should have already been removed if the system synchronized itself properly. So let me open up the Google category of settings again and check. Yep, so as you can see, there is no Google account linked to the system anymore. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So from here, you will simply need to recover the Google account we have just deleted, which is also a very simple task. You gotta simply sign into any Google app or service with the aforementioned Google account. So I'll go with the Play Store, but you can pick whatever Google product you would like. Once inputting the email address, you should get the following message. Then after this message appears, hit the Next button and type in the account password. 9 out of 10 times you are going to get the something went wrong error or message. So that's completely normal. Just re-enter your Google account credentials one more time. And as you can see, the second time around, it let me go through and proceed with my login. So simply finish the sign-in process and you are all done already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.